The line was built by the Manchester and Birmingham Railway Company and completed on the 10th of August 1842. Goostrey station was added by the London North Western Railway Company, opening on the 1st of September 1891. In a 1971 photo, a keystone on the platform at the foot of the mast had the MBR coat of arms and an inscription, MBR 1844 G.W. Buck Engineer. In 1958, it had been removed from the Manchester side of the road bridge at the station when it was rebuilt to provide clearance for the electric wires. The keystone on the Crewe side showed W. Baker as the engineer, but was broken when that was removed. Who went and broke that? So we shall get started here at Goostrey with 323-227, working the 0904 Northern Rail service from Crewe to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. Running 8 minutes late for Cros Country is 220003 and 220033, working 1 Mike 18 from Reading to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. Coming fast in the opposite direction is 323-225, working 2 Alpha 93 from Liverpool Lime Street to Crewe. And right on his heels for Cros Country is 220031 and 220027, working 1 Victor 49 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. Next flying through the station is 323-228, working 2 Foxtrot 31 from Crewe to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Airport. Next into the station is 319367, working the 0941 Northern Rail service from Manchester Piccadilly to Crewe. Next for Avanti West Coast is 390-122, working 1H10 from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. Next to come down through the station for Cros Country is 220014 and 220034, working 1 Oscar 12 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. Next up, running 14 minutes late for Transport for Wales is 175-103, working 1 Whiskey 48 from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. Coming fast through for Cros Country is 220024 and 221135, working 1 Mike 22 from Southampton Central to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. Next for Avanti West Coast is 390-155, working 1 Alpha 20 from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston via Stoke-on-Trent. And here comes our train in the form of 323-225, working the 10:04 Northern service from Crewe to Manchester Piccadilly via Stockport. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.